I have a Kenmore refrigerator model 111.730456110. It is side by side with bottom freezer. Freezer is cooling good, but refrigerator section is not, and it does not make ice. Had an appliance repairman look at it, and he advised the defrost heaters needed replacing. After he left, I looked online at how to test defrost heaters, and it said if they have continuity they are good, if not, replace them. I rechecked the heaters and they do have continuity and both fans are working. I saw online that you should be able to force into defrost mode. How do I do this with this model? 2. How do I determine if the defrost sensor or control board is bad? It takes 2 to 3 weeks to get parts. I would like to know for sure I am ordering the correct part the first time.
Hi, please disregard the phone call offer from the site unless you want one. I am not asking for it. Please wait for my response as it takes time to type. Was the evaporator all frosted over?
We let it thaw out and restarted refrigerator, and it worked for about 2 days and stopped making ice. Then the refrigerator just keeps getting warmer and warmer. I turn off the circuit breaker each day to allow time to thaw, but it doesn't seem to help. Is there any way to force it into defrost mode?
If the defrost heater was good, did you check the defrost thermostat for continuity?
This model has a defrost sensor. It is wired into the harness with the heater. It also has something that clips to the evaporator frame. Don't know exactly what it is. The sensor is pushed into the cooling fin on the evaporator.
You likely need to order the heater on that model. The thermal link will burn out that is connected to the heater. Check that piece for continuity. It is the piece attached to the heater. See image and part link here. Click here. Please remember to use the rating link on the top of your page. Scroll to the top, then select a star rating. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance. Bonuses are greatly appreciated. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.